Okay, here's how you connect your Nintendo Switch to the TV. So first you will need the dock, and make sure you use the HDMI cable. So you put this into the dock and then you connect the other side of the HDMI cable to your TV. So that's the first step. The second step is obviously connecting the AC adapter as well. This is the back of the dock. So after you have these two cables connected, then what you need to do is close the dock. Obviously turn it around so you can put in your switch, and then insert the body of your switch into the dock. So just give me a second. You put it like this. Basically you just release it, and as you can see the body turns off. And now if you have this set up and your TV is using the HDMI slot as a source, then you will see your Nintendo Switch on your TV. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.